What is it, babe? What is it now?
Ask her what she did.
What did you do?
Nothing, Daddy.
Did you say?
Honey, stop now. Please. This is your only child and you're getting so crazy about things like this. It's okay, alright? She's fine.
Honey, please. With due respect, stay out of this.
Why? For a child that runs to me, I should stay away from it?
Michael, I don't like this thing you're doing though.
What am I
It's
doing?
because of you that this girl is spoiled like this.
No, our child is not spoiled. You can't say something like that. She's not, alright?
You think you can get away with this, right? Don't worry.
Babe, can you just stop?
I will catch you.
It's okay. It's alright.
Daddy, she will flog me.
She won't do that. I said she won't do that.
She will when you go out.
She will not do it. By the way, what did you even do?
Not do anything, no, Daddy. I don't do anything.
I know. Eh? It's okay. She won't do anything. Eh? She won't flog you.
Let me stay with you.
Stay here, please. She won't touch you. Yeah, she can just be over dramatic sometimes. It's okay. Come. Queen is our only child, and we must treat her as such.
Did she tell you what she did?
She said she did nothing, and I believe her.
And you think I will try to flog our daughter when she has done nothing?
Maybe I believe Queen. She didn't. If she says she did not, she did nothing. All right? I'm a father. I should know when my daughter is wrong.
Anita!
What is that?
Anita!
Yes, ma'am.
Come in.
You're calling this girl.
Come in. Open the door. Come in.
Okay. Let me indulge you guys. Let me just indulge you guys.
Can you please tell my husband what you just told me?
Ma?
Are you deaf or something? What did you tell her?
Sir. The thing is...
What are you doing?
Nothing. But I just saw you trying to steal your mother's money.
Me? Steal? Why would I do that when I can easily ask for it?
But I just saw you.
You don't know what you saw.
Okay. I'll go and tell Madam that.
Don't you dare.
Watch me tell her.
Okay. Go and tell her. And if you tell her, I will deny it. Let's see who she believes. Go ahead. No, you want to go and tell her? Go.
I mean, are you stupid? Can you imagine this thing? Are you listening to her?
But Anita saw her.
She saw nothing. Listen, I know my child. I know my daughter. She can't steal. She's not a thief. How can you believe this thing over our own child? Man, get out of here now.
But it's not as if this is the first time our daughter has done something questionable.
What has she done? Nothing. And for you to even conceive such idea, to even think that your own child will steal, it baffles me. I mean, it's insulting to my personality. If Queen needs anything, she will simply ask her father. And me as a loving father, I will gladly give it to her. She won't steal it. Rubbish.
I told you, didn't I? I told you that they will not believe you. At least not my father. Listen, if you like your job in this house, you pay attention to it. Take your nose off my business. Did you get that? Anita! Anita! Take this plate to the kitchen. Move.
What?
Are you deaf? I said you should take this plate to the kitchen.
As your maid or what exactly, Queen?
Of course, that's what she is.
Please, Michael, I don't need this right now.
She's her maid. What are you saying? Huh?
Anita, you can go back to the kitchen.
What about the plate? Take it to the kitchen.
Don't you have hands, Queen?
Mommy.
Don't mommy me! Anita here is old enough to be your bigger sister. And I won't tolerate you talking to her anyhow. Anita, go back to the kitchen.
Okay, Mom. Okay.
Babe, what are you doing? This is what she's paid to do. She's paid to run errands this and then let her do her job. She's our maid, for crying out loud.
Michael, are you supporting Queen right now?
But that is the fact. She's our maid. Let her do her duties in the house. Is that difficult to ask?
Queen, you better be careful. There is nothing wrong for Queen removing the plate she ate with.
But Mommy, she...
Don't mommy me, Queen. Michael, you're spoiling this girl and I don't like it. I don't like it. Only God knows I don't like it.
Fine. See, don't mind your mother. Anita is your maid. You have the power to tell her to do anything and send her anywhere. Let her dare refuse. Then she will know that you have a strong mind for a father. Because I will deal with her decisively.
Yes, Daddy.
Now, enjoy yourself. You want more biscuits or something? Juice, whatever?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What are you watching?
This movie is so interesting.
Okay.
Queen,
Yes, Mom.
you're still awake at this time?
Mom, I'm not sleeping.
I mean, tomorrow is school. Are you not going to school tomorrow? I mean today because it's already 12 a.m.
Mommy, I'm seeing a movie.
Young lady, get up there, go to your room, lie down, close your eyes, sleep will come.
Hey, that's let her be. Let her enjoy herself. She's just seeing a beautiful movie, I guess. Once she's done, I promise you she'll go to bed.
Like seriously, Michael?
I promise you, alright? Alright? Go on, watch your food, alright?
Thank you, Daddy.
Good morning, Anita. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is Queen?
Ma, she's sleeping.
Sleeping?
Yes, she said she's having headache and she can't go to school today.
She said what?
Yes, she's having a headache. So she will rest today. We'll just call the teachers and tell them that she's not feeling too well or something.
No, Michael, you will do no such thing. Yes! Yesterday I asked her to sleep. What did you say? Allow her to watch her film. You see that headache is as a result of lack of sleep.
What are you saying, Tana? Come on now.
Don't come on me, Michael. Queen choose games. She should have been sleeping, but hell no, you said she should go on playing games. Right now, she's going to face the consequences of her actions. Excuse me, let me go and wake her up by myself.
Tana, leave the poor girl to rest. She's not feeling... Tana, just missing school one day will not make one unintelligent. What is your problem now? Huh? During our time, we didn't always go to school. Huh? Tana! My God.
This girl is still sleeping by now. Queen! Queen! for school?
I want to sleep. Daddy say you will call my teacher.
No way. He do no such thing. Queen, you better get up there and get ready for school. Next time you learn how to do things at the right time. Queen, I'm giving you 5 minutes and don't keep me waiting. If not, you will not like what I will do to you. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Rubbish.
Every time you just be disturbing somebody.
Coming. Queen, what are you doing here?
What's your business?
You're supposed to be in school by now because your mom dropped you not too long ago. What are you doing here? Are you not going to school today?
Anita, I have asked you several times to mind your business. Just mind your business.
Queen,
Yes, mommy.
how was school today?
It was fine, mommy.
My friend, will you get out of that place with that thing? Say, get out of that place.
I'm sorry, son. Babe.
What?
So what subject did you do in school today?
We did English, mathematics, chemistry, and biology.
That means you had a very stressful day at school today.
Yes, Daddy. What is that?
My lunch.
I know it's your lunch, dummy. I mean, what's inside?
Is jollof rice and drink.
You did well today. Tomorrow I would want to eat fried rice and chicken.
But Senior, I don't eat fried rice. My mom knows that. I don't know how to convince her.
You don't eat fried rice?
And who does that?
Well, that's your business. Just figure it out, okay?
Senior, please, can't you say something else?
You're trying to tell me what to eat?
Are you instructing her?
Listen, I want to eat fried rice and chicken. And that's exactly what you're going to get, okay?
Yes.
Go to Jesse's one, call Onyeka for me.
Okay, Senior.
Now.
Okay.
Hurry!
I don't eat fried rice.
I don't get it.
How can you not eat fried rice?
Ew.
Whatever. Go.
Yeah.
Do you know there's a party tomorrow?
I heard the same thing. The problem is that we're supposed to be in classes at that time.
And when has that ever stopped us?
I don't
So are you saying we're going?
Of course, we're going. Why wouldn't we go? Like, what's a party without
Could
Queen?
imagine how the party will be when
Yeah.
Queen is present. Then we'll have to plot the plan.
Senior Queen, the principal is calling you.
Tell the principal you didn't see me.
But I saw you.
Are you dumb?
Are you crazy? Stand there! I just told you to tell the principal you didn't see me. Is that clear?
Okay.
Come here. Did you see us? Now get out. Hurry up.
And I saw you.
So dumb.
So what I'm saying is...
The party is gonna be lit. Seriously, you don't need to miss it.
You know.
You don't need to
Please
miss
give me
it.
the drink. Anita! Anita!
What is it?
Do you know I'm your boss, right? Because I don't understand why you are talking to me the way you want.
Please, what do you want?
Get me a glass of water.
Are you serious right now? You mean you actually called me out here to get you a glass of water?
And so what?
So you're wrong.
No. It's you that is wrong. You're seeing my spirit now. Huh? My daughter will send you and you're asking her questions.
Sir, I'm the housekeeper. And it's not in my job description to be her nanny.
You're very stupid. Do you understand? You will be whatever she wants you to be and do whatever she wants you to do. Do you understand me? I mean, it's the audacity for me. Huh? The next time you try this nonsense, you will have big problem with me. Once she sends you on an errand, you move with speed.
Okay, sir.
Then get out of my sight.
Thank you, sir.
Angel,
Yes, Daddy.
send her. She's here for you, all right?
Yes, Daddy.
You're good, right?
Yes, sir.
Anita, be fast whatever she wants you to do now. Let me just go down to the junction and get some things, all right? I'll be back soon.
Okay, Daddy.
Take care
Daddy,
of
buy
yourself.
apples for me.
Oh, okay, I will buy apples.
Thank you.
All right.
Sir.
What's up?
Sir, the principal said we should call you. She said you should come now.
Now,
Yes, sir.
come on, ma.
No, sir. She said you should hurry now. Like, there's a big problem in the office.
I mean, cause the problem.
Sir, it's not you, but he's...
Why they coming? Now you come to the problem.
Hi. He needs you in the office. No, there's problem.
Oh God.
Sir, please, let's go.
Come. Why they call me?
You're the security man.
Oh God. They buy me gun. Wait till you say I do security.
Sir, please, let's go.
Ma, lock the gate, sir. Don't hurry me.
No. He said you should come now. He said you should come now. Yes, there's no need for that. Sir, let's go. Hi. Let's go, sir.
Hey! Jesus!
You see, I tell that principal, may you buy me gun. You say you buy me gun now, that one will run now, go shoot up for your ass.
That was close. fast.
Yeah, we're good.
What are you doing?
Come on. I know you want this. Come on.
I don't want anything. Stop.
Why do you come inside your room in the first place? Come on, baby girl.
Let go of me, Nat. Stop! Stop!
What are you doing, Nat? Get out of this place! Yo! Are you okay? Are you fine? Did it hurt you?
No, I'm okay.
I'm really sorry this happened to you.
It's fine. Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome. I'm really sorry this happened to you at my party.
It's okay. Yeah, I need to go outside.
Sure, you can.
Yeah, I'm no longer comfortable in there.
Sorry about that.
It's fine.
Yeah, how about your friend?
She said she doesn't want to leave yet.
How about I walk you home then? A beautiful girl like you shouldn't be going home alone.
Okay. But are you a student too?
No, I'm actually done with school. How about you? Are you a student?
Yes. SS3. I can't wait to be done with school.
Oh wow. I know, right? I remember my school days. Would sneak out of school to attend parties just like this.
Yeah?
Yeah. It used to be the most interesting part of school. Yeah. How about I invite you over tomorrow? I'd like to make amends for what happened today.
Okay.
Alright then. Let me have your number.
Alright. Okay.
Okay, I'll call you. Alright, let me walk you down home.
Okay.
Man, you did well.
My G. With a smile on your face, I can tell that our plan worked.
Man, it went well one time.
I swear. So, but I'm curious though. Why don't you just ask her for her number instead of all these stress they are going through?
Nat, you should know girls by now. They like being protected and rescued. I mean, that knight in shining armor thing. Yes, now I just played a bit of psychology on her.
Bad guy. You get sense. So,
normal.
you try to know how these girls they take things. I swear. So have fun, man. Have fun. Who say you collect her number?
Sure now, sure.
So when is she coming? When is she coming back?
One of these days she will come around.
She will come.
Yeah.
Bro, so how far again you pinch your mom?
We could check downstairs.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You go to the market. Fiam! Your money has finished. Look at the amount I went to the market with just this nothing. How do you even fill the bag? Okay? Now, wow. Things are now very, very expensive.
Anita,
Wait, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you. What are you doing here?
Are you not supposed to be in school by this time?
I've told you to mind your business. Mind your business.
Huh? Wait, I'm trying to understand something. So if they send you to school, you go to wherever you want. Wait, come back here! I said, stay, come back here! I'm talking to you!
You better leave me alone. I've told you to mind your business. Mind your business.
No, until you tell me where you're coming back from. Come back here!
Leave me alone! What is wrong with you?
Queen, come back here! Queen! Queen! It has gotten to this.
Baby, are you sure you don't want me to come and pick you? Because I'm closing early at work today.
Oh no, mommy. You don't have to stress yourself. I told you I like trekking.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, mommy.
All right, baby. Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day at school.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Mom. Bye.
Oh, what's up, babe?
I'm good. What's up?
What's inside?
Oh, no. I won't be going for classes today.
Oh, why?
I want to go see Oscar.
You mean the guy from the party?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this girl, you're a bad girl.
I'm
For
not.
real. What?
You know what to say if a teacher asks of me, right?
Sure.
Thank you.
You should trust me by now.
All right.
All right.
Oh my God. Queen forgot her book here. And she may need it in school. What will I do now? Okay, let me turn.
Rose, why is your friend not in school today?
She's not feeling fine. She's at the hospital.
Of course. There is always an excuse.
That's actually the truth. She's at the hospital.
She's at the hospital. Well, I don't even care. That's not my business. Whether she's sick or not, I don't care. But let me tell you something. Whatever anybody sows, that's exactly what that person will reap. She's not feeling fine. So, please, do you know...
Yes. Hello. Hi. Don't worry. I'll attend to her. Yes. That's fine. Just good day, mom. My name is Rose.
Rose?
Yeah, I'm Queen's friend.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma.
Where is she?
She's at the library. She's always studying there.
But I didn't know that Queen is such a serious student.
Man, they did not tell you. Ha. Anytime we look for her in the class and we don't see her, go straight to the library. She's always there. That's how she is, oh. She doesn't skip once there is no class, library, from library to the house.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Anyway, she forgot this textbook in my car.
Oh, okay.
So I decided to bring it back. Anyway, I didn't want to disturb her since she's ready.
Yeah.
Let me run along.
It's fine. She's at the library.
All right. Say hi to her.
Sure, I will definitely tell her you
All
come.
right. Bye.
All right.
You say your name is what?
I'm Rose,
Rose.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, nice. Welcome. Thank you. Hi.
The food was great. You mean you made that?
Is it almost ready?
Almost.
Okay, when you're done, I need you to leave the kitchen through the back door. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
I don't want my guests thinking you prepared the food.
Sir, but I made the food. Sorry, sir.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
You know what? It's actually tasted like something a professional chef would make.
Oh, are you for real?
Yes.
Well, I'm happy you feel this way at least. I was able to leave a good impression. Yeah, and this has to be the best thing I've had from anyone in a while.
Is it?
Yeah. You know, you have a really cute smile. Has anyone told you that before?
I don't think so.
Your smile is so cute. I don't mind staring at it the whole day. And you know what else would make me happy? Seeing you tomorrow. Would you be able to come around tomorrow?
I can't. I've already missed 2 school days. I have to be in school tomorrow.
Come on. You can always get notes from your friends and read up. And besides, school is just so boring.
That's right. It's boring.
Yeah. So would I be seeing you tomorrow?
I'll be here.
That's my girl.
My angel.
Mom.
You're still reading again?
Yes, I just want to read up on the things we did in class.
Okay. How's at your school today? And I met Rose.
She told me about that.
She said you were at the library the time I came.
Yes, I was.
Oh, I must say I'm so proud of you. The way you stood up for this time. And you're so serious with your studies. Keep it up, okay?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Anyway, let me allow you to continue with your studies. Hmm?
Okay, Mom.
All right.
That was my mother. She just left. Thank you for covering me up.
You're welcome. So how was the thing with Oscar?
It was awesome. Guess what? He cooked.
Oh my God, he did?
Yes. And guess what made this special? He doesn't cook normally. He did it just because of me.
Ha! This guy really loves you, babe.
Yes, he does. I'll be going there tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Ha, babe, now, you know you've not been in school for 2 days now. Attendance, and...
I know. But, after tomorrow, I'll resume right back.
Well, it's fine. That's by the way. Tell me every single thing that happened with Oscar. I need the full details.
You want to know everything? Well, he actually,
I have something special for you.
Oh, no, I don't drink.
This is a special kind of drink. You would love it. Come on, I promise you would love it. Or should I feed you? Would that be better? Yeah, have a sip. Wait, do you think I drugged it?
Oh, no.
Hold on. You see, right? You're safe. Have it. Now drink up. You enjoy it. So what do you think?
I think I like it.
I told you you like it. Come on, go ahead and drink up. Oh wow, I can see someone loves the drink. Don't worry, I'll get you a refill, okay? Alright. Give me a minute, I'll be back.
Okay.
I'm coming. Oh. Why are you smelling like this?
Mind your business.
And what do you mean by I should mind my business? Are you not supposed to be coming back from school? So why are you using of alcohol?
You are not my mother. Neither are you my father. So don't ask me stupid questions, okay?
What is wrong with this girl now? What has come over her? She uses of alcohol. Hey. I will not allow you to waste your life like this.
I had so much fun today. I like that drink.
So what are you doing right now? I mean, besides talking to me, what else are you doing?
Nothing. Just talking to you.
Come in. Come in. Yes.
Sir. Sir, please, where is madam?
No, she stepped out to get something. Any problem?
I wanted to tell her something, but I'll wait till she comes back.
My friend, come here. What is it you want to tell her?
Nothing, Oga.
I said, what is it you want to tell her?
Sir, it's about Queen.
What about her?
Sir?
Can you talk, or has the cat cut your tongue?
No, sir.
Then talk.
Sir, the thing is, when she came back from school earlier, she was reeking of alcohol.
You're mad. You're crazy. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Sir, I'm very sure of what I'm saying.
No, you're not. How? Eh? How? How does it sound? Eh? That my girl, just 16 years old girl, that my wife dropped today off the school, sneaked out of the school, went straight to a bar to have some drinks. Is that what you're telling me?
No, sir, I don't even know where she went to, but I'm very sure of what I smelled when she came back from school.
Anita, you're tired of your job.
No, sir.
No, obviously you are. If not, you will not come here to make all these stupid claims.
Sir, we can go and check.
We're not checking anything. I know my daughter. She can't do any of this stupid thing you're telling me.
Sir, please, you need to believe me. As I was even coming here, I overheard her talking to a boy on phone.
Anita! You're a big liar.
Sir, I'm not lying. See, sir, let's just go and check. If I'm lying, just do whatever you want to do to me.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh my God, my mouth is smelling. If my father comes in here and find out that I took an alcoholic drink, I am finished. I am finished.
Okay, you know what? I have an idea. And if you get it right, your father wouldn't come close to you.
What is it?
Yeah, move. Can you see? Can you see?
Sir, I know what I saw.
Shut up! It's obvious that my baby was reading and then fell asleep. Can you imagine yourself?
No, sir. I know what I saw.
You see, these your lies. I've had it up here. Up here. Every time you pick up one lies and tell about going. By tomorrow, what is tomorrow? You're leaving my house today.
Sir,
I said you're leaving my house today. Go in there, pack your things, and get out.
Sir, please, sir, please, I'm sorry.
If you dare go down,
I'm sorry, sir.
don't move this out of this house.
Sir, I'm sorry. Hey. Sir, what have I gotten myself into? Sir.
Leave my house.
I'm begging you, sir, please. I'm begging you, sir, please.
Out.
Sir, please, I'm begging you, sir, please.
Go and try somewhere else.
Please, I
I've had enough of
promise. I will
you.
not do it again, sir. Please, I'm
No,
begging you,
no,
sir, please.
out,
I'm begging you. I
out.
don't have any other place to go to.
I don't
Sir,
care.
please, I'm
Go and try
begging
somewhere
you.
else. Go and try somewhere else. I've had enough of you.
I'm begging you, sir. Sir, please, I'm begging you, sir.
Don't try me.
Sir, please. Sir, please, I'm begging you. Sir, please, I'm begging you.
I will kick you down.
Please, I'm
Don't try
begging
me.
you. I promise I will not do it again. I will not do it again.
Go and try somewhere else, I said.
You meant to go.
Get out of my house.
I'm begging you, sir.
What
Please,
is going on here? What is it?
I want her to leave my house right now. I've had enough of her. Let her go and try it somewhere else. Let her go and try it somewhere else. I want her to my house. Do you understand?
What has she done?
Ask her.
Anita, what did you do?
I mean, I did not do anything. I did not do anything. I promise I will not do it again, man. I will not do it. I will not do anything.
See how confused you are. You did not do anything. And yet you promise you will not do it again.
Babe, now please. She has promised not to do it again. Let's give her one more chance.
Sana, I am not doing that. I am no longer doing that. I've had it. I've had it. I can't take this anymore.
I'm begging you, please, just do this one for me, please. Please.
Please. See, if you do this again, if you try this rubbish again, you'll be fired immediately.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No, just do it. Let that demon possess you again and don't do it.
Maybe she won't do it again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I promise I will not do it again. I will not do it again, please.
Bring your bag, let's go inside.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
How was my suggestion?
It was great. My father believed it. I'm sure the help is in trouble now.
Yeah, that's a win.
Yes. I must admit, you are a genius.
Thank you, my lady. You know, I like talking to you.
Me too.
I'm glad I met you. I hope we get closer as time goes on.
Hopefully.
I'll talk to you later, okay?
So your phone is ringing.
Who is that?
Your father.
Take it back.
Won't you answer his call?
I say you should keep the phone on. You're asking me stupid questions.
Sorry, sir. Sir, there is something I want to discuss with you. Sir, it's about the little girls you bring to the house. I'm not comfortable with it.
Did I just hear you say little girls and comfortable? Faith, the last time I checked, you are a maid employed in this house to do your job. And how is that my business if you're comfortable or not?
Sir, see, apart from the fact that it's wrong, what if your father finds out?
What if my father finds out? How is he going to find out when he's in the UK with his lovely new family? Or do you plan on telling him?
No, sir. No.
Are you sure? Well, remember I have something on you to write. And you know what would happen if he finds out, so? You will lose your job that is so dear to you. The job that puts food on your table. And I'm sure you don't want that to happen. Now you have to stop poking your nose into my business. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Now get out of my face.
Sorry, sorry, sir.
Hey.
Like, I'm so done with that class.
I really can't wait to be done with school.
That's a long time, like 2 years.
If I tell my parents I want to stay back, they wouldn't even let me, especially my mother.
You know that.
So annoying. Oh God, please.
That chemistry teacher is one of the main reasons why I left that class. The headache that comes with it, something.
Who has that kind of time to be in that
Queen
class?
and Rose.
This woman.
What are you two doing here during class hours?
There's no teacher in our class.
I just walked past your class now, and the chemistry teacher is there.
Maybe she just came into the class.
Shut up. You two get up and run to your class now.
Are you not the one I'm talking to? Madam, stand up. To your class.
Mrs. Principal.
Very unserious people.
I didn't come with any lunch today.
And what do you mean by you didn't come with any lunch today? I remember vividly that I told you that every single thing we're going to have for lunch this week, you're going to be the one to provide it. So what nonsense are you spouting out of your mouth?
My dad is not around. There's no one to take money from. Come closer.
Just come here already.
I don't want to know how you would do it. I sincerely do not care. All I want you to know is that you have 5 minutes to get what I will eat. Else, I will deal with you.
Senior, please. I don't know where to go.
Now get out.
Senior.
Get out!
Get out!
Nonsense. What are we going to eat?
She must find some. She must find some.
It's fine. Where's my bag? In the class?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Senior, she's not in the class.
Where is she then?
I don't know, Senior.
You have 10 minutes to bring her to me. 10 minutes. Else you will be in trouble.
But Senior, I don't even know where to look for her.
10 minutes.
And what are you still waiting for? Get out!
Don't know where she is. She's now a ghost that should just vanish. I'm really hungry.
How do we do it now?
I don't know.
Well, this is just the cash I have at hand. I'm looking by it.
Dinner.
Queen!
What are you doing here?
Sir?
What are you doing here?
Nothing, sir.
What insolence! I don't want to get to my office before 2 of you.
Okay, sir.
I sent a couple of students to call you, and I didn't see you. They didn't call you?
No one called me, sir.
Me too, sir.
Shut up! 2 of you have grown wings in this school. I've been getting reports on how you insult my teachers.
That's not true.
I've been getting complaints of how you disrespect my teachers and walk out of the class when they are talking to you.
I did no such thing.
So my teachers are lying now?
I think so, sir.
You think so?
Yes, sir.
Queen, look. This is the very first and last time I will warn you about the way you behave in this school. If I get any report against you again, I will have no option than to invite your parents. I will invite them and then you'll be punished. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Queen, you see the level you are now? We were there. And I can assure you, if you continue like this, it's leading you to destruction. Settle down. Read your books. That's the only way you can stand out among your peers. And let me warn you for the last time. This is the first and last I will receive any report against you. If that happens, I will invite your parents and then I will punish you. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now leave my office. Hey, you, come back here. Rose, you're following Queen up and down. You don't know you have your own life. You are allowing her negative influence to affect you. Don't let me get your parents involved. Stay clear. Go.
Thank you, sir. Hey, I was thinking we lay low.
What are you talking about?
I mean, regarding what the principal said at the office today.
Which of them? Because he said a whole lot of jargon.
I mean, the point where he said he'll get my parents invited over to school because of my misconduct. I don't want that. I know that if my parents get to hear about it, I'll be screwed out. I'm serious.
Is that why you're scared? Ah, babes, come on. Calm down. See, there's always a way around everything. Okay? We'll figure it out.
Right.
Don't let it bother you. For real.
Sure.
Kaima, come here. Come here! Kaima! Wait, did that girl just ignore me?
I think she just did.
You just dug your own grave, little girl. Let's go. Mrs. Racer, are you done running? Shut up! So I asked you to get me lunch and you disappeared into thin air. As what? Choma Joma? Huh?
I'm sorry, Sima.
Shut up. You can continue running. No, run.
I'm sorry, Sima. I was so scared, so I didn't know that.
Shut up! Just shut up. Don't talk when I'm talking. By the time I am done with you today, you will know why I am called Queen. Stretch your hand.
Stretch your hands!
Stretch your hand!
That?
Bring it out! I said bring it!
Stretch it well!
Stretch your hand. You think I'm joking with... Bring that girl closer.
Can't you hear what she's saying? Can't you hear her? Come close.
Stretch it. Stretch it. Where are you running to?
Why not come closer?
So you can't hear me. You want to stretch me? Oh yeah, stay. I'm talking to you.
Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry I'm late. So sorry. Wow. Everybody has come. No problem. How was your day? Fine, mommy.
What's that?
Nothing.
Kaima, I said, what is this?
It's nothing, mommy. It's nothing serious.
Who did this to you?
I can't talk. I might be in more trouble.
Which teacher flogged you in this manner? For what?
It's not a teacher, it's a student.
What? A student did this to you? You must be playing. It's not possible. How can your fellow students do this to you? Please. Where is your principal?
They have all gone home.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh. By the time I come back to this school tomorrow, help me, God. If I don't get a proper explanation, I might burn down this school tomorrow. Let us go. Just come, let's go. Till tomorrow. Are you the mad dog? Are you the untamed brat that laid her filthy hands on my daughter?
I don't know what you're talking about, ma.
How dare you raise these filthy hands on my daughter?
I don't know what you're talking
about. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you, ma, please. If I slap you.
Madam.
Ma, who gave you those things?
Madam.
Leave me alone.
Madam, please.
This dog.
Please. Ma, please.
You dare lay your hands on my daughter. I will show you.
Hey, ma, hold on.
Don't, mommy. Don't you dare, mommy.
I am so sorry, ma, please. We'll settle this in a
Settle what? Have you seen my daughter?
Ma, I'm sorry.
Do you know what this dog, this untamed fool did to my daughter?
Ma, I am so sorry, please. We'll sort this whole thing out. I'll just take you to the principal's office. Please, ma. Just calm down. Please.
I'm not done with you yet.
Ma, please. Let's just go to the principal's office. Wait! Follow me. Now!
Who is she? Who is she? How dare she lay her filthy hands on my daughter? How dare she?
Ma, please be calm.
Don't tell me that. Don't go there, Mr. Principal. Don't you dare tell me to calm down. Have you seen my daughter's body? Have you seen her body? Her back, worst. And you dare tell me to calm down? Because of what? Because she did not give her lunch. Her own lunch. And you tell me to calm down. What sorts of animals, what species of animals do you train in this school?
Please, ma. I understand how you feel right now as a mother. I'm so sorry. Please, just be calm. But I promise you that Queen here will definitely face her punishment. Please, man, just trust us and allow us do our job.
You better do your job very well, Mr. Principal. Because if you don't, the next time I come back to this school, oh, jeez. The next time I come back to this school, I will burn down this school. I will make this school feel that this girl messed with the wrong kid.
I'm so
Come,
sorry.
let's go.
So sorry, man. Queen, come here. How dare you raise your hands against your fellow student? What is wrong with you? Queen, listen to me. I want you to come with your mother tomorrow morning while coming to school.
My mother went on a business trip.
If your mother is not around, bring your father. Come with your father tomorrow morning.
He also traveled. I'm actually alone.
Okay, you think you're smart. You think you're smart. It's alright. I have their numbers in our file. I will call them. I will invite them to let them know what you've done. Get out! Come on, get out from my office. Sir? I said leave my office now. Can you imagine?
Queen! Queen!
Daddy!
Hi, babe.
Welcome, Daddy. Daddy, welcome.
Hi, babe. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Daddy.
Okay. So,
Daddy,
yeah?
did the school call you?
Are they supposed to call me?
No, not really.
Okay.
They were actually talking about calling parents and inviting them for PTA meeting. So I just wanted to know if they called you.
Oh, that's not yet. Not yet. I've not seen their call yet.
Okay, Daddy.
It's okay.
Okay.
So, how was school today?
So it's fine.
Great.
Daddy, can I use your phone? Please, I'm just tired of using mine.
Queen?
Yes, Daddy.
Queen?
Daddy, I just want to use your phone.
I don't trust that move now.
You don't trust me?
No, not you. I mean, the move. I don't look for my money, right? Sure.
I just want to use the phone for something.
Okay.
Thank you, Daddy.
Up I go. Let me go freshen up, all right?
Okay, Daddy.
Okay. Hope you've had lunch.
Yes.
Good.
Mommy, I can explain. I can explain, Mommy.
Explain what?
Mommy?
What is it you want to explain?
It's a prank. Mommy, you don't know that we're actually learning how to do drama in our school. We're practicing. I'm just trying to get my... it's church... No, I mean, we're doing our...
Enough of your prank. Didn't I tell you to always dispose the waste in the kitchen every evening?
I will do that, Mommy.
Better be careful.
Mommy.
What is it?
Please, can I use your phone?
What for?
I have an assignment that requires me using so many phones.
What kind of assignment is that?
It's kind of complicated. Please, help me. Thank you, Mommy.
Make sure you bring it back once you're done.
Yes, Mom. They better come now that I have this phone.
Why haven't they called? Is it that the principal forgot? But he's not one to forget things like this.
Yes, come in.
You sent for me, sir.
It turns out that your file is missing. And that means we don't have your parents' contact anymore.
Okay, sir.
So but I need you to do one thing for me. Give me your mother's contact, phone number.
Okay, sir.
This is the correct number.
Yes, sir.
Give me your house address too.
Okay, sir. Sir?
You can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Guess why the principal called me?
Why?
Well, he said my file is missing.
What does he want to do with the file?
He asked me to give him my parents' number and our house address. Guess what I did?
Don't tell me you gave him your mom's number.
Why should I? I gave him my number.
I trust you, girl.
And I even gave him Oscar's address, so...
Damn! That's a lot, babe.
Yes, I know, yeah? So they're going to hear from Mrs. Wilson.
Oh my God, I'm so done with you. Like, you don't... Oh,
no.
oh my God.
They want to see
that
my
could be
parents.
very, very crazy.
That's okay.
They really want to cause a very big problem.
They won't do
They
that.
don't know that we're more smarter than they are.
I don't care. Mrs. Wilson.
Oh my God.
Hello, this one is tiny. Hello, this is Miss... Oh, I'm sounding like my daddy. Hello, this is Mrs. Wilson. Hello, this is Mrs. Wilson.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm calling from Greater High School. This is the principal.
Oh, how may I help you? Is there a problem?
What are you doing?
Mom? Nothing.
Why is the sitting room so messed up with your school stuffs?
Mom, I'll go take them out.
Queen!
I had a lot on my mind.
There are some things I shouldn't be telling you at this age. You're a lady for crying out loud. Go downstairs and clear those things up right now.
Okay, Mom.
That was close.
Yes, I'm sorry about that. I am still in the office and my boss came around.
It's fine, ma'am. You need to make out time and come to school. We need to see urgently.
Alright, I will do that. You're welcome.
Yes, come in.
Sir, the lesson note you asked for.
Drop it in.
Sir, you look worried. Are you okay? Is everything all right?
I'm fine. I'm good. Just that Mr. and Mrs. Wilson are yet to come.
Really?
I finally contacted Mrs. Wilson and she promised that she's going to come. The annoying part is that I've been calling her, she's not even taking my calls.
This is serious.
It is. It's actually disturbing me. Like, I wanted to tell them what Queen has done to.
Sir, how about we go to their house? You know, just go to the house.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Okay, we'll go there tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Mrs. Wilson?
Yes, how may I help you?
Wow, nice. I'm your daughter's school principal. Like, we've been talking on phone since.
Yeah. I'm so sorry. I've been very busy lately. Yeah.
It's all right. So, can we go inside now and talk?
Yes. No, we can actually talk here. Yeah. So, what's up?
It's all right. We're here to report your daughter. I mean, she has been bullying students in our school, and the last child she bullied, she left her bruised up.
Are you serious?
And the school have decided to suspend her for 1 month.
Exactly.
And we hope that the 1 month she'll be spending with you, you'll still make out some time to teach her some morals, so that when she resumes school, she will be a better student.
Exactly.
Okay, and we tried to see you face to face to report this to you. You know, some students will hide such from their parents. So, and this is the suspension letter.
Thank you so much for coming. This means a whole lot to me. And I'm so sorry about my daughter's behavior. I'm so sorry.
It's all right. You know, they are kids. And we'll just try our best and leave the rest. Okay. Please take it easy on her. Okay? She needs advice and guidance, please. Okay? It's all right. I think we'll take our leave now.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.
Bye.
What did I say?
Queen has been given a month suspension. This is the letter.
Thank you. You can go.
But sir, this is not right. Her parents should know about this and...
Do you want me to tell my father what you did?
No, sir.
Now get out of my sight and don't ever talk again if I didn't ask you to. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now get out. Wait, come back here. Come back here.
Sir?
The jewelries. Let me have them.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Be fast.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, please, help me. This one is not...
I don't expect you to know how to fix it. You're not familiar with this.
Sorry, sir.
What? Oh my God. I'm in trouble.
Relax.
How can you tell me to relax? Can't you see that I've been given a month suspension? That is to say, I won't be seen around school.
What am I going to tell my parents? My mother will kill me.
I have a plan. That's why I said you should relax. Can you trust me with this? You'll be fine, okay? Come on, relax. Calm down.
Hurry up, Queen! We are going to be late! Hurry up!
I'm coming, Mom.
Hi, baby.
Hi, hon.
Where is my princess?
I'm here, Daddy.
And here she comes. You look smashing this morning, eh?
Thank you.
I need you to have a very fat lunch. I want you to have a very big lunch.
Thank you,
Queen,
Daddy.
hurry up, let's go.
Bye, Daddy.
All right, love. Bye. See you later.
Yeah, bye.
Take care.
Bye. You too.
I love you, dear.
Hold on.
Where's your boss?
Who is asking? Oh, Queen. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah, so how did you see my plans?
I love it. My parents would never know about this aspiration.
I told you, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
So now you don't have to worry about school for a whole month. We'll have so much fun together. How does that sound?
I like the sound of it.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Faith! Faith! Come here. Please, get me my favorite wine and 2 glasses.
2 glasses?
What sort of,
Is she drinking too?
what sort of stupid question is that?
Okay, sir. Let me get it.
Oh, please don't pay attention. So how are you?
I'm okay. So, how about your parents?
Well, my mom is late.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's fine. My dad is alive though, but he's barely present in my life. He has never been one to stay home. And he recently got married to a white woman, so he barely comes to Nigeria. So I grew up with nannies most of the time.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, how was it like? How was life like? Was it normal?
Normal? Well, I don't know any other life, so I wouldn't know if it was normal or not. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so how about your own parents?
Well, both are alive. My dad is actually my favorite.
So what about your mom?
My mother, we're not that close. She's too serious with life, if I may say it like that. I need to use the restroom.
Okay.
Where's the restroom?
Faith! Please come. Please, take her to my restroom.
Okay, sir.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Queen, that's your name, right?
Yes.
Do your parents know that you're here? Of course no. How would they know? Why are you doing this to yourself? Why? You have your whole life ahead of you, and yet you choose this for yourself. You should be studying at your age. Other than this you're doing with Oscar here. Yes, I know you were suspended from school. Talk to your parents about it. Repent from your old ways.
turn a new leaf and everything will be fine again. Other than this you're doing with Oscar.
And what makes you think that you have the right to talk to me in that manner? Huh?
I'm trying to.
Trying to what?
Look out for you. You see, I have a daughter.
Do I look like your daughter?
The thing is,
I just asked you a question. Do I look like your daughter?
No.
Then, don't you ever, in this life of yours, call me to talk to me in this manner. Okay? Look, I'll just let this go. I won't tell your boss because it's your first time trying it. But the very next time you try it again, I will tell your boss. And you know what? You will lose your job.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Why wouldn't I stare at you like that? Have you seen your eyes? They are so beautiful. I mean, you're one of the most beautiful girls I've seen lately. Yeah. Where did you get all that beauty from?
Thank you. I think I got it from my mother.
From your mom? She must be really beautiful then. Yeah.
She is.
Oh.
Sir, food is ready.
Okay, come on, let's want it.
I don't think I still want to eat that. I want something different.
Okay, what would you rather have?
I want fried rice and chicken, if that's not being bothersome.
You had her, right?
Yes, sir. But sir, can't she just manage the jollof rice I prepared?
Are you questioning my orders?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
She'll get it ready for you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything for you.
Thank you.
So, how many siblings do you have?
Flowers, chocolates, a lot of stuffs.
Wow.
I actually enjoyed my house.
That's good. That's good.
Yes. But my mom, that
Sorry,
one.
sir. The fried rice is ready.
Oh, thank you.
I don't think I still want that. Is it okay if I take something different?
It's fine. So what would you have this time around?
I am thinking of moi moi.
You had her, right?
You don't expect me to go and start preparing my moi, do you?
Are you questioning my orders?
I already prepared 2 meals and she turned them down. Can't she just manage this? Then I'll prepare the moi moi or whatever she wants some other time.
Faith, go in there and fix exactly what my guest wants. And I mean right now. Sorry about this. Yeah, it's be ready soon, okay?
It's fine.
Yeah.
I hope I'm not bothering you.
No, anything for you, anything for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It seems like you're not a fan of food. You've been...
My dad always gets stuff for me from fast food, so...
Oh, so
I'm not really used to
you're very
all this.
selective.
Kinda.
Not bad, not bad.
I can see you're still on it.
Why are you doing this?
Why am I doing this? Would you rather I told your boss that you are not spoken?
I was only looking out for you.
Well, good luck doing it in there. Listen, by the time I am done with you, you will regret not minding your business. Go make the moi moi. Be fast. You're still there? Hi, Daddy. Daddy. Dad, are you okay?
You know I was at your school today. And it's... I got you. I got you. Look at you.
Oh, Daddy, you scared me.
Scared you? Why would you be scared?
No, I actually meant to say that. How would you come to my school and you didn't even bother to say hi?
Me? Never in this life. If I come to your school, know that I will shut down the school until they bring my beautiful princess to me.
I know, right?
Okay. Yeah, no, I thought about stopping over at your school, but I was really tired, so I said, let me just get home and rest.
No, Daddy, you don't have to stress it. I mean, I don't want to stress you.
Oh, look at my lovely girl. Oh, God. So how was school today?
It was good.
That's okay. That's nice.
Okay, Daddy, I want to go into my room now.
All right, lovely. I'll see you later. All right?
Okay, Daddy. Later.
Oh my God, girl, I really miss you at school.
I'm missing you too.
But you mean these people actually gave you suspension?
My sister, I didn't even see that coming.
Hold on. Your parents know about it today?
Don't even talk that loud. You want them to cut my head off. They don't know.
So, tell me, how do you go about it? How do you take off?
Oscar is helping me.
Girl! The guy from the party last... Damn!
Okay, this is how we do it, yeah.
Tell me about it.
So I get ready for school. My mom takes me to school, drops me at the school gate, and then leaves. I go to his house. I stay there, and when school dismisses, I go back to the house. And that's where they think I went to school, and everyone is happy. My parents are just happy.
That's a lie, girl. God, you're so smart.
I know, right? The English teacher.
Seriously?
She was just being disturbed. I don't just get it.
Queen is on suspension, and she didn't even tell her parents. How can this little girl do something like this? I have to do something. I have to tell her parents. No, I can't. What if she denies it again, and her father thinks that I lied against his daughter? He will fire me, and I need this job. This is what we are going to do. We are going to mind our business. This is none of our business, so we are going to leave it like this. If Queen wants to ruin her life, let her go ahead and do it. After all, she's not my sister. It's none of my business. Yes, it's none of my business. So I'm not telling anyone.
Anita, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. How was work today?
Fine. How is Deborah? I hope everything's under control.
Yes, ma.
Okay.
I'll microwave your food and bring.
All right, thank you.
Ma.
Yes?
There is something...
Hi, baby.
Hi, honey.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How was work today?
It was okay, yours?
Okay, but stressful, though.
Okay. Anita, I thought you wanted to tell me something.
No, ma. No, ma. Everything is fine, ma. Let me microwave your food and bring. Welcome, ma.
Is it just me? Or like, this girl acts like someone who is possessed in the head?
Baby.
But she...
Baby, please, I'm tired.
But that's true now. Can't you see how she behaves? Huh? There's something wrong with this girl. We should look into that. Huh?
Anita, are you okay? Shouldn't you be sleeping by now?
I couldn't sleep, ma.
Why? What happened? Are you sick?
No, ma. I'm okay.
Is everyone at home okay? Is he my husband? Do you want to wait?
No.
Is that it?
No, ma. That's not it.
Then what is it? Oh yeah, come, sit. Let's talk. Come and sit, let's talk. Come. What is it?
It's about pain, ma.
Pain? Okay, bye, baby. Have a nice day.
Bye, Mom.
Mom,
baby, yes?
you're not leaving.
Don't worry, I want to watch you get into the school gate.
Okay, Mom.
All right, have a nice day, baby.
You too.
What do you think?
Babe, let's just wait for a while, please.
Come on, babe. We'll be here for a while now. If our daughter wanted to sneak out of the school, she would have done that by now. Don't you think so?
Babe, please, 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes, we're out of here, please.
Okay. This is 20 minutes now.
Okay, I'm even late for work. All right.
About this, I told you already.
Let's just go.
just left. Okay. I think I should start leaving before a teacher sees me and makes a case out of it. Right? I'll call you later. Okay. Alright. Queen!
Queen, you were asked not to come anywhere around the school premises. What are you doing here?
I am leaving, aren't I?
Am I the one you're talking to in that manner?
Where's that stupid girl? Anita! Haven't I warned you? Haven't I warned you about spreading rubbish about my daughter? You keep on spreading lies about her!
No, sir, I didn't.
You didn't what? And before I close my eyes and open it again, go in there, pack your things and get out of my house. Get out of my house now!
I'm sorry, sir. I promise I'll not do it again, sir. Please.
Don't make me forcefully push you, because I may harm you in the process and you wouldn't like it. Now go in there, pick your things and get out of my house.
Please, I'm sorry. I will not do it again. I promise I'll not do it again, sir. Please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please, I'm begging you, sir, please. Sir, please, I won't do it again. Sir, please forgive me. Sir, please.
When the one you...
Sir, please.
Unfortunate thing.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Sir,
Sir,
please, I'm begging you. Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please forgive me. I'm not doing it.
You keep saying rubbish about my daughter. You unfortunate thing. Huh?
Forgive me, I'm not doing it again. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. Sir, please. I'm begging you. Please forgive me. I promise.
I thought you wouldn't come today.
I had a little situation, but I'm okay now.
Is everything fine?
Yes, it's fine.
Come on, let's go in. I'm doing something that would interest you.
Okay. And what's that?
Something that makes me feel good.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to try?
No.
Come on, you can trust me. You should give it a try. Yeah.
I don't want to.
Come on. Have it.
So, how do I take it?
Yeah, sniff it. This way. Watch me. Yeah, you can do the same. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry, it's always like that on the first time. You get a hang of it soon, okay? Yeah, just take it slowly next time. Yeah. You want to try again?
Yeah.
Alright, have it.
What? What's going on here?
And how is that any of your business?
Oscar, are you giving this girl a hard drug?
Faith, before I close my eyes and open them, I need you out of this place.
Oscar, this girl is too small for this.
Am I not talking to someone?
Is he not talking to you?
You don't know what you're doing to yourself.
Did you just talk to me? She spoke to me in that manner. You need to fire her.
Don't mind her, let's get back to what we're doing, okay?
Fire that woman. I think I enjoy it. What was that thing you gave me?
Oh, it's called Coke.
Coke?
Yeah, short for cocaine.
Oh,
You liked it, right?
yes, I do.
Well, the more you hang out with me, the more I teach you more amazing stuff.
I think you should head back now. I can go by myself.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright then, I'll see you tomorrow. And when you come around, I have a very special surprise for you.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Queen! Hi, baby.
Hi, Mommy.
You're studying.
Yes, Mom.
Please, I think you can take a break and come help me in the kitchen.
Kitchen?
Yes.
How about Anita? Auntie Anita.
Your father fired her this morning.
Really? Why?
Queen, please. That question is not important. Come downstairs and come and help me. In that way, you can learn one or two.
I don't like going to the kitchen. You know this.
Queen! Do you realize you're a girl? And there's some certain things you should know how to do by now. Please don't keep me waiting. Come downstairs and come and help me out.
Well, that wouldn't be necessary because I already ordered us something.
Daddy!
Hi,
Thank you.
I know that you must be very tired, so I decided to take care of that.
Thank you, Daddy.
Mhm.
I'm really tired. I had 6 good subjects in school today.
You don't say. Can you imagine them? They should take it easy on you, especially you, my angel. Well, not to bother. I already took care of herself. Herself will be here very soon, and you need not do nothing.
Oh, Daddy.
About that, I was actually thinking that we don't need any more house help. I mean, there isn't much thing to do here other than cleaning and cooking. Queen and I can actually take care of that.
Hell no. My daughter is not doing any of the house chores, all right? She won't.
Michael, you're not making sense here.
How?
Queen is no longer a kid. There are some things she should know how to do by now.
Don't bother about that, eh? Not when I have the money, when I can afford it, to make my baby very comfortable. Look at you. Don't you like this skin? See how fresh she looks. You want her to now go soil her hands. Is it good? Eh? It's not good. Already, the agency already planning to send us one. As soon as they can, we'll have one housemaid here and everybody will be fine. All right? Don't bother yourself. Let's go and eat. The food is getting cold. Relax. Madam, you too worried. Take it. Quick. I did.
Yes, coming.
So you sent for me?
Miss K.
Sir.
Yes. Can you take a look? That's the file I told you I've been looking for. Just found it this morning.
Sir, this was not the same address Queen gave us.
Really?
Yes, sir. Wait, she gave us a wrong address?
That's my suspicion.
Sir, I think you should go to this particular address and see her parents.
Okay, get set. We'll go. Yes, we'll go right away.
Oh, I'm back. Harry.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Cheers. Let's drink up.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is. It's my favorite flavor.
That's the moment.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. How can I help you?
Sir, I'm here because of your daughter. I think she's in danger.
My daughter,
Yes, sir. I think my boss' son wants to hurt her.
my daughter is in school.
No, she's not. She was suspended 2 weeks ago.
Okay, I see what's happening. Okay, that stupid girl Anita sent you, right?
Anita? Who is Anita?
Huh?
No one sent me.
What rubbish are you spilling here now?
So I'm only telling you because we need to act fast.
My daughter is in school. My wife dropped her off this morning. So what are you saying?
So she's not in school. She's not at school. Eh?
But this scheme will not work. Do you understand what I'm saying? It will not work. Do you understand? I know where my daughter is. And you're here saying rubbish. Don't get me upset right now.
Sir, please. We need to save your daughter. She needs your help, sir.
My daughter is in school. Stop saying that rubbish. Do you understand me? I know where my daughter is. What rubbish is that? Huh?
Sir, I'm serious. Your daughter needs your help.
Oh, babe. You're back. What happened?
Yeah, I forgot a document.
Okay.
What is it?
Babe.
Good afternoon.
Can you imagine this woman? I don't know. Only God knows where she dropped her from. And then she's blabbing rubbish that her daughter is not in school. That she's in danger.
My daughter is not in school.
Madam.
The same girl that you dropped at the school.
Madam, I'm just telling your husband that your daughter is in danger. Your daughter is not at school. She was suspended 2 weeks ago.
Man, can you imagine?
Suspended? But I've been dropping my daughter off at school every day.
Is that not the handiwork of Anita?
But my daughter has been going to school.
That's what I'm saying. This is obviously the handiwork of Anita. Huh?
See, let me tell you, I'm not working with anybody. If you must save your daughter, then you have to come with me. But if you don't want to save her, stay here and keep that to me.
Yeah, just get out. Just get out.
Oh, madam, please wait. Wait. Can you take me to this your boss?
Madam, I can take you there. Let's go.
You're not believing this rubbish.
Babe, let's go and check if she's actually lying.
This is the handiwork of Anita. I know. It's the same story that is playing out here.
It won't cost us anything to check.
It will cost me.
Madam, come, let me show you. I'm just...
Let's go.
Okay, I'm coming with you. But I won't take it lightly with you if you're wrong. God knows that. I won't take it lightly with you.
This is the moment I've been waiting for.
What's happening, sir?
I give you a little something to calm me down, okay?
I can't move.
Yeah, that's the plan.
What are you doing?
Just relax, you enjoy it. I promise.
Please don't do it. Please. Please. Please don't do it, Oscar.
What? What?
Jesus Christ.
Are you
Wait!
Are you
Wait!
Are you
Are you okay?
Are you
Wait! Wake up! Wake up! Wait!
You!
Jesus! Wait! Honey! Wait! Wake up! Wake up!
My girl!
What did they do to you? Wait!
My girl!
Oh my God! Honey! Honey! Honey!
You saw what you said to my daughter?
Yes, you can take it up with the authorities, please.
Do you see what you said to my daughter?
It's okay.
How dare you?
Sir, please, it's okay. It's okay, sir. Sir, please, help me. What did you say? Honey, please. Jesus. Just take her to the car, please. Take her to the car.
Is there water here? Somebody get me water. Somebody.
How dare you do this to me? I'm going to tell my father.
What? That I stole his money and framed the cook for it. Because of that, he was sacked. Oscar, my daughter was sick. And that was the reason why I did what I did. And I deeply regret my actions. I have let you blackmail me with this for long. And I'm no longer going to cover up for it. I can't let you hurt an innocent girl because I want you to cover my secret. No! I have a daughter, and if anyone else does the same thing to her, I won't be happy. So you can go ahead and tell your father. I don't care because I quit.
What did you just say? Faint! Faint! Come back here!
Seems like no one is around.
I think they are still at work.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Well done.
How may I help you, please?
I'm the principal of Greater High School, and this is one of our teachers.
Good afternoon.
You mean Queen School?
Yes, we are.
Well, I spoke to you a few days before I stopped taking my call.
No, I have never spoken with you before.
I'm sure. I'm very sure of that.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, not me. Never.
Well, if you've never spoken to him before, that means Queen must have orchestrated the call.
Please, I'm kind of confused here.
Well, Ma, your daughter has been notorious at school. Your daughter misses classes, disrespects our teachers. She's a bully. I mean, the last child she bullied, we couldn't help it than to give her 1 month suspension.
What are you even saying?
We requested for her house address, but she gave us the fake address and even contracted someone else to play her mother.
Exactly.
We noticed this and we decided to come and warn you so that both of you will help her, guide her back to the right path. She's going the wrong way. That's all. We just want to come let you know this. We're on our way now.
Okay, thank you so much for coming. We really appreciate.
It's all right. We have to be on our way now. All right. Take care.
Thank you.
You know you can just speak. You can just say it.
Yes, I'm going to say it. Michael, it is your fault. It is your fault, Michael. Anita warned us about Queen, or you wouldn't listen. Right from when Queen was a child. If I want to correct her, you said, no, don't touch my child. You didn't want anyone to touch your child, right? Have you now seen it? Have you seen it, Michael?
Mommy, I am sorry. I'm sorry, Mommy. Daddy, you know I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Daddy, I'm sorry. Mom, Daddy, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I didn't want to hide the fact that I'm disappointed at you. I expected more from you. We both did. You have been lying to us about everything, Queen. You were suspended at school. And instead of you to tell us, you went ahead to deceive the school with that boy. Then had drugs. Why, Queen? Why all this?
Mommy, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't need an apology, Queen. I want to know why. Make me to understand why.
I didn't want you to know about this suspension because I know you'd be disappointed. That was why I did everything.
If you didn't want us to be disappointed, you wouldn't have gotten that suspension at the first place. You would have been a better student. Then had drugs. Why? Make me to understand. I want to know why, Queen.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I'm sorry. I didn't know it would be harmful. I thought that was the best way to join the happening girls in school. I didn't know it was going to be that toxic, and I didn't also know it would get to the point where he would force himself on me. I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry.
Queen.
Mommy, I promise you I would be a better child. Please.
You better stick to the end of that promise, Queen. You better stick to it. Because I'm going to hold you accountable.
Yes, Mommy.
Queen, what have I done to you? Now haven't I been a good mother to you?
Mommy, I'm sorry.
You don't know you're the only person I have. If anything goes wrong, the world will laugh at me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why, Queen?
I'm sorry, Mommy.
You're the only one I have. Do you know how painful it is when your child goes astray? Do you know it's so heartbroken? The world will laugh at me. What have I done? Do I really deserve this?
Mommy,
it's for your own good.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please. I'm sorry, Daddy. Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Come here.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yes. I'm sorry, but stick to your promise. I don't want anything to go wrong again, please. You're my only child. I don't have anyone else. Please.
Yes, mommy.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. Daddy. Daddy, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Daddy.
You know, I grew up with my stepmother and stepsisters, and they treated me like I was shit. They did all manner to me. And from then I promised myself that none of my child will go through the same phase. That I'm going to protect them, provide for them, whatsoever they need, I will provide for them. But now I understand that that is the wrong way. That is wrong. It is right to provide for your children, but at the same time, it's also very important that when they go wrong, you correct them. You rightly correct them and tell them that what they did is wrong. Queen,
Daddy.
with you I got it wrong. I loved you so much that
Daddy, sorry.
I almost let you ruin yourself. I almost let you ruin yourself. I have made this mistake the first time. And by God, I'm not going to make it again. God, you have promised us. I and Mother are going to closely watch you and see that you behave well.
Yes, Daddy.
Do you understand me now?
Yes, Daddy.
Now you see that you gain nothing from being wayward. Nothing. You just get yourself deep into trouble. Like you did with that boy, Oscar of a boy.
Daddy, sorry. Daddy, sorry. I promise I will be a better child. Daddy, I'm sorry.
I just don't want your promises. I want action. You're going to serve out your suspension correctly. You deserve every one of it. All right? For now, we probably have to withhold your phones. You have to, Anita is no longer here for now. You will clean up your room, clean up the houses, wash the dishes, do house chores. You have to work. Show us that you're repentant.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, I'll do it.
It's for your own good. I support your dad. It's okay,
Mommy. Okay.
You know you're a blessed child. Not everybody has this opportunity you have, remember. And you should be grateful for it.
Kaima, I really want to apologize for the harm I caused you. It was wrong of me, and I am so sorry. I was a different person then, but I am changed now. Please forgive me, and I promise you, it will never happen again.
It's no problem. I understand. And I already forgiven you.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I have to go inside the class now.
It's fine.
Thank you.
All right.
Queen! Queen! Oh my God, I'm so happy to see you back to school.
I'm happy to be back too.
Oh my God, you look so good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. Now we go back to our normal lives. Guess what? There's this hottest party that's going on next week, and everybody has been talking about it. It's going to be a blast.
I am not interested in going.
Why not?
Rose, I am not that person anymore. See, a lot has happened this past few weeks, and I realized that the life we are living is not worth it. I mean, our parents sent us here to study, and not all these things we're doing. So please, I won't be indulging in that anymore. And you can also join me if you want.
This is not the Queen I know. Come on, baby girl. Are you having cancer?
Cancer? No, girl. I'm fine. I'm okay. Yeah. I have to go to class now.
Queen, hold on.
What?
Are you saying we're not?
Come on. I'll see you in class. Miss K.
Yes?
Miss K.
Queen.
Good day, ma.
Good day. What is it?
Miss K, I want to apologize for disrespecting you all this while. I understand.
Good afternoon, my dear.
I understand that you put so much work in teaching us and all that, but I've been giving you so much headache, and I am really sorry. I was just trying to join the bad girls in the school and all that, but I realized there's no need for that.
Queen,
I could do better.
Are you okay?
Yes, ma.
Are you sure you're all right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm okay. Ma, I want to apologize. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry about everything.
It's okay, I've heard you.
I promise to be a good student.
Queen.
Ma.
So you've decided to change?
Yes, ma.
And turn a new leaf?
Yes, ma.
No more troubles?
No troubles, ma.
Eh.
Yes, ma.
That's nice. I'm happy you've decided to change.
Yes, ma.
It's okay. I've forgiven you.
Thank you so much, ma.
You're welcome.
Ma, one more thing. I'll be needing your help. I'm really lacking behind in my studies. Could you please help me?
Queen.
Ma.
So you want to take your studies serious now?
Yes, ma.
That's nice. I'm happy to hear that. Okay. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you so much, ma. God bless you, ma.
It's okay.
All right, ma.
Okay. You can go.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Anita, I want to sincerely apologize to you for what we put you through in this house. You're right about Queen. I wish I had listened to you than dismissed everything you said. I'm really sorry.
It's fine, sir. I'm just really happy that everything has come to limelight and Queen is a better person now.
Yes, she is.
That's all that matters.
Again, I was wondering if you don't mind coming back to work with us.
That won't be possible, sir. I got another job and I'm happy there.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you anyway.
You're welcome, sir. I'll have to take my leave now.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
And who made this food?
Hey, she did.
No, now. You did?
Yes, Daddy.
This is so great. This is
Absolutely.
This is really great.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Queen,
Yes, Mom.
I must say I'm so proud of how far you've come. Keep it up. Please allow me to enjoy this meal.
Now you want me to do some beautiful things for you. Let me just slow down with my promises, all right?
Daddy, will you give me back my phone now?
Relax. 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 Do not push your luck.